Hi, this is my condition video for you. I hope that you still like it once you've seen this. As you can see, the tray is uncracked. It's still in original condition. This is nice and shiny. It was refurbished at one point back in the day. We have the key, and it's still fully functional, shows the sale. Of course, does not calculate sales tax, etc. They didn't have it in those days. But as you can see, it's very unusual in that it has a printer mounted on the side. We haven't tested that. I don't know how that works. You probably can't get the paper for it anyway. But as you can see, glass is intact. The capital sign, everything is as it should be. We just have to work out the details on how to get it to you.